Namaste. My name is Pampanaik. Having a degree of BSc B.Ed, and I have the experience of 16 years as a teacher, and also I taught for the 6 to 8 students continuously, and I am specialized in the teaching science and maths, and also I have the specialization of a YouTube channel. So the channel called Solution Page, which has the subscription of 8,212 subscriptions within a period of 1 year 7 months. 1 year 7 months. I have the within a period of 1 year 7 months. I have started my channel at 24 August 2022, and now my channel has grown the subscription of 8,212 subscriptions within 1 year 7 months, and I'm capable of, so my capacity and my capable is I can teach. I'm able to teach in 2 languages. I'm able to teach in 2 languages. One is Kannada and then another one is English. I can teach in both languages with effectively what I taught in English, the same effectiveness will be in Kannada. So this is my capability. And then why an academy has to be chosen or has to be give preference to me is some reasons I have you. The one is I have a good knowledge in science and maths. I have a good knowledge in science and maths. And second one is I have the experience of teaching in online classes. I have the experience of teaching in online classes from 1 year 7 months, and then I'm able to teaching in 2 languages. I have already displayed that I can teach in English and I can teach in Kannada. Then one English and then one in Kannada. Next, I had a good techniques to teach a simple, but it should effective. What I'm going to teach or what you will give the content has to be taught in effective manner to the students. I had most updated teaching ideas and steps with me. If you give a chance, I will be proven. Then I'm able to know the students' mindset, what the students wants, how the teaching should be. So I have the students. Then on that basis, I will handle them easily. So please select me as a YouTube instructor in an academy. Next, thank you so much from Pampanaik. And then the chemistry topic which has been taught in 100 hours. Those are the contents here. So one is chemistry can be subparted or subdivided for 3 parts. One is organic chemistry, second one is inorganic chemistry, third one is physical chemistry. So organic chemistry has to teach in 35 hours. Then inorganic chemistry can be taught in 35 hours. Physical chemistry can be taught in 30 hours. Total 100 hours are there. So this is the content. How can we teach chemistry in 100 hours? So in next clippings we can know the subtopics in organic chemistry, subtopics in inorganic chemistry, subtopics in physical chemistry, which can be taught in respective hours. Okay, thank you. Then we have the organic chemistry subtopics. So one is general organic chemistry. This is the first subtopics. Second one is hydrocarbons in organic chemistry. Third one is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Then alcohol, phenols and ether, the preparation of alcohols, preparation of phenols, preparation of ethers, and then haloalkanes, how is the designing of haloalkanes, then the structure of haloalkanes. Like this you can teach in the subtopics. Next, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. So the structure of carboxylic acids, the preparation of carboxylic acids, then the importance of carboxylic acids. Like this we can have the more content, more teaching steps and teaching ideas in the organic chemistry, like this. And then second one is amines in that organic chemistry. Next, biomolecules. Next, polymers. What are the examples of polymers, and then how it will be made or constructed or prepared polymers, and then chemistry in daily life. So how the chemistry has a important part in daily lives, that is called chemistry lives. And then carbon compounds in details, we can these subtopics comes under the organic chemistry. Next we will move to the inorganic chemistry. So some subtopics, 10 subtopics are there, which will cover 35 hours of teaching in organic chemistry. One is classification of elements and periodicity. Classification of elements and periodicity, that is comes under the inorganic chemistry. Next, hydrogen. So what is the structure of hydrogen, what is the electronic configuration of hydrogen, the hydrogen reacts with what are the different elements, how it reacts, and what are the products, we can have the products. Then the S block elements, what are the S block elements, electronic configuration, occurrence, existence, we can have that one. Next, P block elements. So in periodic table, where the P block elements are situated or located, and what are the electronic configurations, and what are the properties of P block, and what are the chemical properties or physical properties, or how the reaction of P block elements, we can discuss in this. Then F block elements, and then existence of elements, how the elements will occurrence in the earth, and abundance or the status. Then general principles and process of isolations. Next we can study in inorganic chemistry physical chemistry, how the physical chemistry helpful for our daily life, and how the physical chemistry will involve in the inorganic chemistry. Then environmental chemistry, these are the points comes under the inorganic chemistry, which can have the 35 hours of content to teach. Next we will move to the physical chemistry, then we will move to the physical chemistry, the subtopics, the solid states of matter, then state of matter, the three part that is liquid, solid and gaseous. Then structure of atom, how the atom will be made, what is the structure, that will be discussed. Some basic concept of chemistry, this comes and covers under 30 hours of time in physical chemistry. Then solutions, different type of solutions and their preparations and their reactions for the different elements or metals. Okay, then electrochemistry, how the electrochemistry comes under our daily life. Next we will move to the chemical kinetics. Next, surface chemistry, surface tension and surface chemistry definitions and detailed. Redox reactions, how the redox reactions equations and the definitions, and the oxygen out and oxygen in. Then chemical bonding and molecular structures of the compounds, these are the comes under the chemical physical chemistry. Three parts I have divided in three parts: organic, inorganic and physical, which covers in 100 hours. In it will be taken classes, or we can teach in competitive examinations. Yes, now we will move to the one demo class. which can have the S block elements. So thank you so much for watching my 100 hour content in chemistry, and I will move to the one small demo class which can be made under the S blocks. Okay, so this is demo class by me. That demo class depend on, or that demo selected on S block elements. So before going to S block elements, we have to give an picture of what is periodic table, how it will be, and the structure or the design or the image. So so please, you will here, this is the periodic table of empty periodic table of just a picture. Where is S block elements, where is D block elements, and where is P and where is F, with a coloring. If you give like this, the student or the competitors will get the exact idea what we are saying and what we are teaching and what they want to need. So this is I think you have that red colored, that is S block, green color, that is D block, and then silver color, that is P block, and last yellow color is F block. If you give like this, they will remember the whole the periodic table. This is the picture, empty picture of periodic table before we will go into S block elements. Okay, next we have to move the arrangement or filled periodic table. Then can the child or the competitor or the viewers can know exactly what periodic table is. So we have to give first the empty periodic table, then we have to have give the picture of filled periodic table. Next we have to discuss, or we have to give the picture of S block. What are the elements will comes in S block? So there are 14 elements in S blocks. So I think I have the picture in front of you: helium, lithium, then krypton, like this. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, cesium, helium, like this. There are 14 blocks, 14 elements. Those comes under the S block elements. If you use the correct information or correct the image, so student can clearly catch the what are the S block elements. So here, properties of S block elements. What are the properties of S block elements? So they are all metals. So what are the 14 S block elements are in comes under the metals. Next we will move to the, they have low isolation enthalpies. They have no low isolation. Then they lose outermost electrons to form cations. They lose electrons to form cations. Metallic character increases down the group. So hydrogen has less metallic, and then down the group the metallic character will going to have the greater in number. Next, electronic configuration of S block elements.